Hello friends, welcome to Outlook IAS. As I have promised you in my previous video, interview and discussion video, that from today onwards I will come up with MCQs, the multiple choice questions, expected questions from our discussion, and I try to frame such questions of the same level that used to come in our exams, specifically in Punjab exams. And daily basis, if I'm going to practice around 5 to 10 questions, and we will definitely be confident at the end. We can easily imagine the level and the preparation we are doing, and definitely it will help you. And if any of the question will come in the question paper, you will be very happy. I can understand, right? So yeah, these are few MCQs. I framed 5, and what we will do, I will read out the question and the answers also, and I will give you few seconds to evaluate like what this answer can be, correct answer can be, and then later I will tell you that how you can deduct or how you can remove any of the option, why any of the option is incorrect, and I will tell you at the end the correct answer. This is the way and flow of our discussion will be. So yeah, let's start. The very first question is, consider the following statement regarding National Food Security Act 2019. The first option is, it will provide 5 kg food grains to a person every month at subsidized price of rupee 3, 2 and 1 for rice, coarse grain and wheat respectively. We have to keep in mind the flow. Here rupee 3 to 1 is for rice, coarse grain, wheat respectively. Okay, it means rupee 3 for rice, 2 for coarse grain and 1 for wheat. There is no grievance redressal mechanism in National Food Security Act, and it will ensure food security allowances. Okay, I have already discussed these key points in my discussion in my newspaper discussion. I will also put the description of that video in the description of this video. And yeah, now come back to this question. Hope you have come up with the answer. Okay, the correct answer to this question is C. It means the only 3 is the correct answer. Now why? Here I also put some focus on this point. It is respectively rice, coarse grain and wheat. This is incorrect. Actually, it could be rupee 3 for rice and rupee 2 for wheat and rupee 1 for coarse grain. So that's why this point is wrong. And there is a proper grievance redressal mechanism under this act. So this option is also wrong, and only this option is correct. So next is, as 400 deal was in news, so India will sign this deal with whom? Which of the current country India will sign this deal? Hope you got the answer. Yeah, the answer is Russia. Okay, Israel, incorrect, and CAATSA is related to this topic, but it's because USA is related to this topic, but because of its sanction act, which it used to put sanction if anyone of the country will sign this as 400 deal with Russia. So under this CAATSA act, USA put sanctions on that country. So here is a term which is virology is defined as, it's a biological term, and what it means. Hope you got the answer. The answer is B here, to study the virus. Virology is the science to study the viruses. Why this topic is important, because diseases and such issues are always one or the 2 questions we can easily expect such questions in our paper. And because of now COVID-19, the virus topic is overall very important. You have to cover it very thoroughly. So next question is, consider the following statement regarding Cotton Corporation of India. So Cotton Corporation, first is, it comes under Company Act 1956. It is under Ministry of Agriculture. Its headquarter is at New Delhi. So which of the options are correct? Tell me. The only correct option is 1. So according to that, the answer will be C. Okay, because it comes under Ministry of Textile and its headquarter is in Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra. Okay, so this was in news, and because of this corporation, you have to study cotton crop also. I have already explained it very thoroughly in my previous discussion. So the next is, WTO is one of the UN specialized agency. Is this statement is correct or incorrect? It is incorrect actually. The World Trade Organization is not one of the UN specialized agency. Tell me the comment section which and all specialized agencies UN have, the agencies associated with the UN. So yeah, these are our MCQs. On the daily basis, I will definitely come up with these MCQs. Around 5 to 10 MCQs will be there. And of course, my Tribune discussion will also come on the daily basis. So if you are following these two things, you will definitely be at the end very confident about our current affair preparation. And if you want any other type of videos, you can tell me in the comment section. And if any type of change in my strategy, if you want my Tribune discussion in English language also, you can tell me, because I can make that video also. So yeah, thanks for joining this and thanks for supporting me. Thank you, friends. Keep practicing and you will definitely succeed. Thank you very much.